guys, so now we're gonna do the Blitz bar as well. So,
Strut bar.
and that's basically, guys, the last mod for the engine. Damn, it's kind of crazy. Like, this thing is almost finito.
Okay, just open it here. Don't cut anything.
Oh shit, you gotta like assemble it.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so the bar is gonna go straight across like this. That reads Blitz. And let's open this box for the end plates, or whatever you call them. Strut tower plates.
Strut tower plates, yeah. Ooh. Fancy.
Beautiful. Nice packaging. So this is a 14 millimeter for 3 of these guys, and I just suggest doing one at a time, one side at a time. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the stock one. Let me use my microfiber.
Just to clean the surface a little bit.
Just a little bit of lubricant, yeah. Wipe it down.
Oh man, that thing looks shiny.
Oh yeah, a little bit of spray wax. All right, cool. So in this baby, we'll go right here. Okay, so now we'll lay it like this. It goes underneath the battery, and yeah.
All right, guys. Okay. So the supplied nuts.
Yep, new Strut tower nuts.
Yeah, guys, we go.
Pictures in black and white. Can't really read that at all. Not at all.
Oh, so they come with newer nuts.
Newer ones, yep. Yeah, but this I'm not. I don't know what this is.
What the?
I don't know. My fingers. Okay.
He said my fingers.
Yep. Okay. Make sure our surface is all clean from debris. That's good. It's very clean. Cool. Yeah, there we go. See, these fit much better. Already gonna replace these for beautiful titanium ones.
Oh yeah. Oof.
So with this, I'm gonna try to center it now. There you go, underneath. Okay, yeah. So let's just do the other side real quick. I'll line everything up. Now I'll just see if it fits down and tighten her up. So we won't use these for now. Dirt under here, just clean it best you can, really.
Nice. It's glowing.
This side just drops straight in. Let's grab the bolts. Beautiful new hardware. Wrapped everything.
Sheesh. That doesn't matter.
I left it intentionally loose.
Oh, intentionally.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm gonna go back and just make sure everything's on first.
Oh, okay.
Not bad. Okay, so I know the bar fits now. So now I can tighten all these guys. what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tighten it based on this guy, the outer one. Doesn't really matter. Not gonna notice any of the differences.
Okay, because kind of seeing what he's doing. So he's making sure everything fits for him. Are you loosening it up a bit?
Yeah, make sure I can. Yeah, see. That's how I like it first. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. Make it centered in the middle. I'm trying to probably put this center. That's good. Doesn't really matter.
I kind of see what you're trying to do. Yeah, you're trying to do like one to each side.
There you go. There you go. That's good. And now hit it with the torque wrench, 47 foot-pounds.
47 foot-pounds, guys.
Depends how picky you are. Let's see. Oh, 47. There you go. Alrighty. Looking good. Beautiful. Now I'm just hand tighten those.
In the middle. Nice.
So we tightened the 14 millimeter, or yeah, 14 nuts. Torque spec to 47 foot-pounds. And yeah, so now we're gonna tighten these guys here.
A night and day difference.
Beautiful.
Do you have the torque wrench? Can we double check?
What, these three?
Yeah, maybe I'm crazy.
No, I didn't. Oh, three. No, never did.
I'm crazy. I'm going crazy.
No, I did them.
You remember? Okay.
Never did.
Cool. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's crazy. From stock to it looks stock. Well, basically,
Yeah.
stock inlet, stock intake.
Look through the front, you can see the race map better. You can see it through the intake and the we'll stay standing where I am. You see through the intake and the you'll see better during the day.
Yeah. Wow, night and day difference. And this like was small piping, and this thing looks freaking massive right now.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy. And then this changes, that bar changes the look of back there too.
Fills it all up.
Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. Whew. Thank you, Jimmy. And the last thing we probably gotta do is just the
flash.
the flash.
Yeah.
Because we have the bigger math. You have to run the base map, guys, or you're gonna be sounding like you got cams.
Yeah. Literally.
All right, guys. So we're gonna flash the car. I'm gonna put it in accessory mode. My dad is already plugged in. It's flashing. Hi, hello. How are you? Yep, it's in accessory mode. Yep. So basically, press the start button 3 times till it gets to the accessory mode. And then Jimmy got his laptop. Helping me out.
Okay, so everything's plugged in because driver, Flashpro, PD2, ECU, everything locked is checked. So we're gonna click new calibration and let it load. Okay, so we are here. So when you instant jailbreak, I guess sometimes they might default you as 2020 to 2021, but you're actually 2019. So we'll click 2019, right?
Yep.
2019 FK8 US. Okay, now I changed everything, so we should be good now. Intake, we have even Turi with the race math, but we'll just do PRL with race math. Rampage, race math. Charge pipes, we have PRL. Down pipe,
Dream.
we do Dream. Catless, so if it doesn't say high flow, that means catless. Exhaust, no remiss unfortunately. So what did you pick again? Rampage Titanium. Yeah, might as well. Fuel system, we're stock. We're 93 in the US. Improved throttle. Intercooler, we have PWR. This is not there, we'll do PRL.
Yeah.
Inlet, we do PRL because it's the same diameter as even Turi, both 78, whereas Rampage is 68. Front pipe is PRL. It's remiss, but we'll do PRL. Stock turbo. Okay, it should be all correct now. It's weird. This thing will pop up. Oh, not this thing, but something else pop up. There you go.
Okay, I was like,
yeah, sorry. Okay, so everything that you picked earlier will already be selected here. Like when you disable the OH sensor for the downpipe, it will already be picked. And everything here, intakes, we have to do PRL with the race math for Rampage, because this is how the even Turi one. So you want to disable revhang?
Yep.
Disable revhang. Rest stock delimiter, leave that like that. Stock one's up to 7K. Anti-lag, nah. Full throttle shifts, nah. I wouldn't disable any codes unless they come up. So we'll do full power. Oh, you want to do improve response, full power for a second, or just?
Yeah, that's what we selected before.
Yeah. So do that. Improve response, full power first and second, and traction control set to aggressive, and that's pretty much it. I won't touch anything else.
Yep.
So now we close. Just exit out this, and now we'll just up arrow should work now. Right there,
and then now it's going.
Yep. Now
You just had to turn off the car.
Yeah. And it was, and just open and close the Hondata app. Yeah. Okay. No, it's about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we'll come back when this is done uploading the base map. Boom, guys. Now the fun part, turning it on.
Turn it off.
Turn it off?
Yeah, switch it off first, and then go back into accessory mode.
Okay.
Yep. So what I like to do is I go back to accessory mode and then I check engine light. I just find that, I don't know if this is true or not, but I just let the car start to relearn itself a little bit. You see a check engine light?
Yeah.
Now wait till it starts blinking in like a couple seconds or 30 seconds.
Oh, 30 seconds.
Or 20 or something. It'll start blinking soon.
All of them are light up. Oh,
there
it's
you
blinking.
Go. So it's blinking, now you go turn the car on.
Oh, okay. Jump in here real quick.
Yep, it blinks and then goes away.
I'll fix this.
Yep, hop on in.
It's in the neutral? Alright. First start up. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video, guys. If you enjoy this video, definitely smash the like button, guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And also, guys, if you guys can go and show Jimmy love and support and follow him on Instagram. He has a lot of stuff on the way for the Super that you guys get to check out. And guys, tell Jimmy thank you for showing you guys step by step on how to install the intake, inlet, Blitz bar, how to put a base map on the Type R. I know a lot of the videos you guys see on YouTube, a lot of people are not showing you guys this step by step information on how this is done on the Type R. So I'm glad I'm able to get Jimmy to help me share these videos with you guys to install these parts on the Type R and show you guys how to put the base map on the Honda Civic Type R. So guys, if you guys can, hit the like button if you guys enjoy this video. And also guys, if you guys want to support the channel, if you guys can, if you guys go back and watch some of the videos, definitely hit the like button. And if you guys can, I also have merch in the description. I have a website where you guys can buy merch from my brand called Find Your Inner Drive. So if you guys want to support the channel, go ahead and hit the link in the description below. And also guys, when you guys wash the shirts, make sure you guys put it inside out, because it has a bunch of decals and sayings on there, which is pretty dope when you guys check out the website. So definitely when you wash the shirt, make sure you put it inside out so it can last as long as possible, guys. But that's it, guys. Definitely guys, if you guys can, show Jimmy love and support. Hit a follow, tell Jimmy thank you for the videos. If you guys have any questions, hit Jimmy up on Instagram. He's definitely down to help anyone that needs help, or if you guys have a question, he's down to help you guys. But that's it, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step towards your goals and make it happen every single day. Peace.